Hello guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be fixing a Frank Muller watch. The issue with this watch is the dials. The minute and the seconds dial are moving together at the same pace. So to resolve this issue, we are going to start by opening the back casing of the watch. So we unscrew the screws at the back of the watch with the use of our screw jack. I have unscrewed most of the screws already. So, let's take off the last screw of the Frank Muller watch back casing. This watch has a quartz movement, and it seems to be okay in terms of quality. It has a quality back casing made of pure stainless steel. After taking off the back case cover, we can see that there is an inner gold-plated removable compartment inside the watch. So we are going to also take off this gold-plated inner compartment. This golden compartment has a circular sealant rubber band around the edge. And the purpose of this gold-plated inner compartment is to hold the main quartz movement engine in place. The next step is to remove the crown of the watch. The crown seems to be the reason why the minute and the seconds dials are not moving independently. So we are going to replace this crown with a brand new one. In the process of removing the crown, we are going to press carefully on the crown clip to prevent the watch face glass from cracking. We are not going to press very hard. So, we have successfully taken off the crown. Next step is to take off the face of the dial. So this is the face of the dial. We can see the minutes and seconds dial moving at the same pace. So let us lift the dial hands a bit. It is still moving at the same pace with the seconds dial. The quartz watch movement engine just fell off, separating itself from the face of the dial. We have successfully applied liquid glue to the back surface of the dial. And the quartz watch movement engine has been glued back firmly with the face of the dial. Next step is to clip back the dials into the watch surface pin. We start by clipping in the hour hand into the quartz movement. I am clipping in the dials manually, but there are tools that can do this more conveniently. We would hear a little click sound once the hour hand is successfully clipped in. Then we clip in the longer hand. making sure it is not obstructing the hour hand. Lastly, we clip in the seconds hand in such a way that it is moving freely, making sure it is not obstructing the other two hands of the watch. So the Frank Muller watch is now working perfectly. It is okay to insert the quartz movement back into the watch frame. We insert them back in the correct direction. And then we press it in gently. Then we insert the new crown into the quartz watch movement. The crown is inserted through the opening hole of the watch frame. When the crown is perfectly inserted, it makes a click sound. The watch is working perfectly now, with the seconds hand moving smoothly. We can use the crown to adjust the dials. We set the time and press in the crown. Once we hear the click sound, the seconds hand starts to tick. The Frank Muller watch is working perfectly now. So, we are going to put back the case of the watch. Starting with the gold-plated inner compartment. Making sure the black rubber sealant is facing up. And the space on the gold-plated inner compartment, carved out for the crown, is fitted perfectly into the watch case. Next, we put back the silver cover of the Frank Muller watch, making sure it is fitted in the correct direction. It is a good quality watch, with good protective pure stainless steel back cover, that protects the watch from sweat, water and other forms of substances that could damage the watch. It has a quartz movement, unlike the authentic Frank Muller watch, that comes with a mechanical movement. So lastly, we screw the screws back in firmly. By pressing on the back cover gently while we screw the screws, such that it can easily be unscrewed again in the future. Please, remember to carry out this repair on a soft surface. By placing the watch on a soft surface, we avoid scratches on the watch's glass. We can now turn the watch over. We can see that it is working perfectly. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.